Okay, today we're in Las Vegas, and we're in the old Mormon settlement. It's quite a convoluted story to get to the point in history where we are now. So I'll try and relate that to you while we walk around the site. So let's go.
We are on the way.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
So way back in the 1800s, the state of Nevada, where Las Vegas is, was part of Mexico, and there was a need to connect, I think it was San Antonio with Los Angeles. So there was a trail called the Old Spanish Trail, and traders would follow that trail, and it would run from San Antonio through the Nevada basin, I think it's the Mojave Desert, down through to California. So that's the first part of the story, and of course the Spanish traders would stop at all of the waterholes running through the desert. So we wind the story forward a little bit, and the Mormons decided that they would like to have a route that ran between Salt Lake City and Southern California. So they sent 30 men, and their task was to establish this fort that we're in right now. So they came down, and I think it was in 1855 or 1856, and the 30 men built this fort out of adobe bricks, and it was positioned where there were two springs so that there was a supply of water. Unfortunately, the fort was unable to support the people, and the head of the church at the time decided that it would no longer continue because there was no benefit to the church coming from maintaining it, so it was abandoned. The area fell into a bit of disrepair, and finally a rancher took it over, and that rancher took over, I think it was 2,000 acres. Now he wanted to establish more of a community here, wanted to build a school and do things like that. He borrowed money from one of the other ranchers in the area, and failed to pay that back, so the other rancher took over the property, and then subsequently he was killed in a gunfight, and that left the farm with his wife, who was Helen Stewart, and she is known as not the founding father, the mother of Las Vegas. Now, Las Vegas means the meadows. Now, parts of the basin here have got lots of little springs and things, and of course there were little oases around the joint. So she ended up buying up most of the area here, and finally the railroad established a route through here, and they needed the water to run the steam locomotives. So Helen ended up selling the property to the railroad, and the railroad leased back the property to people to run cattle and do those things, but maintained the water rights for the railroad. And over the years, the different leases were with different people, and they concentrated on different things, and some of them established grain silos and some of them established other things. At one point, moving forward in time, this building here, which was the original adobe residence, was leased by the Department of Reclamation as part of the project with the Hoover Dam. And what they did was they tested the concrete here. So a lot of the walls of the old adobe residence have been replaced with concrete. They were testing the concrete to make sure it was the correct strength to be used in the Hoover Dam. So moving on even further, we get to today, and of course this site has been gifted to the state of Nevada and is now run as a historic area. So I've probably missed a few things out along the time frame, since it's over a 200-year time frame. But I hope you enjoyed the video. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.